Most people think that Kubernetes cluster is a fortress, but by default, it's an open house. Any pod can talk to any other pod, including your sensitive database. Today, we're changing that. Welcome to Cloudastic, and in this session, we are mastering Kubernetes Network Policies. We are moving beyond just making it work and starting to make it secure. By the end of the series, you'll have the power to draw a digital perimeter around your workloads using Kubernetes Network Policies. We aren't just looking at the dry documentation. We're using real-world scenarios to dive deep into these concepts. Here's the roadmap. We'll start by spinning a cluster with 3 pods across different namespaces. We'll inspect the default allow all behavior to see the security risks firsthand. Then we'll work step by step through practical examples to implement a zero trust architecture. By the end of the series, you'll have a fully controlled, secure production-grade cluster. I've included additional resources that includes a link to the GitHub repo containing the course content. Ready to secure your traffic? Let's dive in.